Blizzard of 08.
Blizzard of 08. Downtown.
Conditions are very, very, very rare for Central Ohio. Look at this car.
Well, there's a car under there?
So let's walk downtown on the street. It's Mommy. Mommy, dance with me.
My little snow bunnies.
I mean, this is just outrageous.
You would not believe the 3-foot snowdrifts we're having.
Yeah. The Blizzard of 08. Peace.
Aftermath.
All right.
Jenny's car.
What? If you know where they are, come here.
Here, read it off.
It says DN6183.
Have we heard what the official snowfall was?
I don't think so. Not for Delaware. I heard 15 inches in some places.
I heard 16 to 18 inches.
Really? Somebody put the flame out, I think.
Jimmy Crumb.
Jimmy Crumb. That's him all over. Look at that.
Yuck. Rock on. Oh yeah.
Man, oh man, look at that bike. I would hate to have to shovel that out. Look how snowed in that guy is. The plows are just...